GIGABYTE AI Top can break the barrier of VRAM capacity and support fine-tuning for up to 236 billion LLMs. I'm Alex. This is GIGABYTE AI Tech Support. LLMs can understand and generate text in human language. With fine-tuning, they can be adapted to specific tasks or use cases. But what requirements of hardware does it take to efficiently run fine-tuning for LLMs? First of all, LLMs are like human brains, consisting of trillions of neurons, or parameters in the case of LLMs. It also functions like a neural network that requires each neuron to work simultaneously. This parallel pattern happens to match the pipelines of GPUs. That's why most of the hard work of modern AI training falls upon GPUs. Since an LLM consists of billions or even trillions of parameters translating to huge amounts of data inputs, one thing that bottlenecks the efficiency most is the size of GPU memory, or VRAM. Though the memory requirement may vary by the precision and fine-tune method, for a 7 billion LLM, it would demand up to 100 gigabytes or higher of VRAM to at least start fine-tuning, not to mention efficiency. The hunger of VRAM makes LLM fine-tuning very expensive and usually in the cloud. Now with GIGABYTE AI Top Utility, featuring memory offloading technology, the massive data that is traditionally managed by VRAM can be distributed across system memory and even to SSDs. This groundbreaking technology breaks the limitation of VRAM and realizes affordable local training solutions. The AI Top Utility runs in coordination with the AI Top hardware, including motherboards, graphics cards, PSUs, and SSDs. The AI Top motherboards are compatible with up to 4 graphics cards to maximize computing power from GPUs. The AI Top graphics cards are designed in 2-slot form factor with turbofan cooling for the optimal thermal performance. The AI Top power supply units are tested under simulation of AI model training that is 3 times stricter than industrial standards for the top-tier reliability. And with the AI Top SSDs, you can offload the massive data from VRAM for higher capabilities and efficiency in LLM fine-tuning. In conclusion, GIGABYTE AI Top is the best AI training machine when it comes to local fine-tuning. I'm Alex, the AI tech support from GIGABYTE. See you next time.